Hi guys, it's me, Tito Beetle. Today I'm going to be cleaning my dog's bed and refilling their water and food for them. I also cleaned half of their toys, so I'm going to take the other half and replace them and clean the other half of their toys today. Okay, so these are their toys that I need to clean that haven't been cleaned yet. Oh, there's a sock back there. My dogs, I've been trying to get my room clean too. My room's still slightly messy, but, that's one of my dogs. So I'll dump these out because I have to clean these. And then I'll put their toy box here. My dogs, actually, I'll grab that sock. My dogs, can get in there themselves. That's the reason I have that. And these are all the ones that I just cleaned. So they're fresh and clean. Do you want one? But those ones are fresh and clean. Okay, so that's done. Now I gotta clean out their bed. So this is their bed. There's another bed behind me that my old dog's. My old dog normally the one who lays in here. You see all the little junk. So my old dog has a habit. He likes to take stuff and dig through the garbage and all that. So I have to clean out his bed every once in a while. We call it the dragon hoard. But so like this, just a water bottle. He'll literally grab anything and everything and put it in here. Take his blankets out. Ew. Tons of stuff. Here's my blanket. There's a treat. Throw that in his toy box. There's a toy that needs to be washed. All of this is garbage. I probably should have grabbed a garbage bag. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with the garbage bag. Come here, Jackson. I accidentally scared him away when I did the garbage bag thing. You okay, buddy? You okay? I scared you. I'm sorry. Okay, get all this garbage out of here. Jackson, where'd you go? Ran outside my room. Okay. Here's a fork. Most of these, forks and stuff he probably got from my roommate's room. He's not allowed in my roommate's room, but he still goes in there. When we don't pay close enough attention. That is what I'm doing for now. Then we take this spray that I have. I'm just gonna spray it. If you guys have any better recommendations, let me know. Now, just leave it and I wait for it to dry. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. And now I take this cushion, because this is not very cushiony for my old dog. So I take this cushion and I put it in there, like that. And, this looks dirty. I promise you. I literally threw it to the washer. It's just so old. This is his, like, OG bed before I got this bigger one. And then I take a blanket, clean blanket, and just over top because he likes to scruff it around himself. And that's how I clean my dog's bed.